Ever seen this road so empty? Ever? अलग ही मजा है यार. I hit 1,000 subscribers. Why the f are all these restaurants closed? This idiots. I'm gonna cry now. Okay. Whoa. How relaxing. Oh, I'm on a foot. We are all set to go. Where are we going, you ask? बताता हूँ रास्ते में. The weather is beautiful today. There are no signs of rain for the day, but you never know. Let's see. I'm riding with my roommate, by the way, the only one that's left in the city. Lockdown after effects. Man, the street. I wish it were always like this. Ever seen this road so empty? Ever? अब थोड़ा सा औकात में.
आप थोड़ा सा औकात में. हाँ हाँ आप थोड़ा और औकात में. हाँ.
Man, look at the street, dude. These spotlights. See, this is the OG milk van and not the one that I saw the other day. दूध वाला आजकल वैगनआर में दूध डिलीवर कर रहा है. We have touched the highway now. हाँ? कसलं? पे करायला? हाँ हाँ. Quite many people out here. We are not the only ones out at 5 a.m. in the morning. I knew there are mostly going to be trucks out here. यार अर्ली मॉर्निंग में हाईवेज पे राइड करना अलग ही मज़ा है यार. These empty streets, the yellow lights, it gives you some weird. Look at that scenery. Look at my urban shallow self enjoying the light scenery, street light. किती किलोमीटर आहे सरळ किती किलोमीटर आहे? 2
into 100
20. भाई अपने छोटे से शरीर पे एंटीला लेके क्यों चल रहा है? Look at his size and look at the weight he's carrying. Poor thing. That's my roommate, by the way. I'm not chasing some random dude on the street. The feeling, I tell you, the feeling. इसी के तो पैसे है यार. And I was riding faster than I usually ride because I was longing for this. I was longing for that adrenaline rush. The sense of freedom that you get on a bike. No matter what car you buy in the world, you won't ever get that feeling. Sasti masti. You'll get a sense of my speed if I come closer to the trees. Okay, I'm hungry already. I haven't had anything since morning.
बन जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। इसी ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए, महाकाल का लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ। पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
What did I do to deserve this happiness? Wow, man. Probably because I hit 1000 subscribers. Yeah, by the way, this ride is a treat to myself for gaining 1000 subscribers on YouTube. So yeah, हमने खुद को ये तोहफा दिया.
ये तोहफा हमने खुद को दिया है।
हाँ? चल चल. I shouldn't have opened the visor. I opened it once for 2 seconds and all the dust in the world has entered my eyes. हाँ? काय हॉटेल आहे का? मग आता भूक लागली अरे भयंकर. आणि इकडे जवळपास आहे का काय? पण ते टपरी टाईप असतील ना.
बिलकुल रिक्स नाही लेने काय.
अरे मजा आली रे. कितीतरी दिवसानंतर मी असा ओपन रोड मिळालाय मला. Now is where the trucks start. I was too early to say that. काय सांगतोस? ए लेक आहे लेक. समुद्र असा कसा असेल? समुद्रावरनं कुठला ब्रिज जातो? At least I don't know about it. But I'm confident enough to claim something that I don't know. Just like any other Indian.
अबे साले।
Should be a lake because it's surrounded by land all from all the sides. So I'd assume that it's a lake. Oh, the sun is starting to rise now. Doesn't get late, huh? It's getting a little tilted towards the right. Something wrong with my cone set. That's why I'm not confident. I shouldn't be saying this. I've ridden this in the morning at 120, so I am not confident in it, but I get adventurous at times, so can't really blame me for that. Come on. Bhiwandi Dhaba. I don't know what is this. कोणी नाही आहे बाबा इकडे. बंद आहे बाबा. बंद आहे, कोणी नाही आहे. हां तो आहे आतमध्ये. हे काय आहे मग? आई शपथ. आउटसाइड फूड नॉट. अरे इनसाइड का तो फूड दो हमको पहले. इनसाइड फूड भी नहीं है. पुढे पेट्रोल पंप आहे, पेट्रोल भरून घे. McD, yeah, McD. Oh God, yeah. I haven't been to any food outlet since the last 7-8 months, I guess. Last I went was in January. Pretty sure. उसके बाद से I've never been to any one of these places. The CBR 650F. That's a fancy bike. It's closed, I guess. Why the f are all these restaurants closed? In hell. अरे बंदा है. बहुत है जी. 650F है. CBR 650F.
नॉट इंटरेस्टेड यार, मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है.
8 AM to 9 PM.
A few moments later.
बंद है. Are we not mentioning that we are paying? Accident prone zone ahead. Heavy bus, car, jeep. Heavy vehicles on this side. Yeah, the heaviest vehicle. Hathi. Come on, guys. She's mine. I can fat shame her. Hey, we could have eaten here, man. But yeah, it's not that safe as well.
बिल्कुल
Hey guys,
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
ऑमलेट वगैरह काय तर खाऊया. This idiots. I'm gonna cry now. Okay. Whoa, how relaxing it. Oh, I'm on a foot.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.
Not that safe as well.